Well, here I am, guys and girls, on Holbrook Mill Pond. It's nearly been a year since I've been here. Things have changed quite a bit. It's looking as lovely as ever. There's some pruning being done. Islands had to be rebuilt a little bit. But as ever, it does look gorgeous as always. No complaint at this place. Peaceful and quiet and tranquil. Absolutely lovely. You can see all the mill pond down the end. It's named after. There you go. One mill pond. One mill. Absolutely gorgeous. See there very carefully, you can see my baiting poles in the bushes there. I've actually run a bait across along the edge there. You can't really see through the trees at the moment where it is. It's on the corner of a bush that's sticking out, and the fish have been getting in quite a lot. The other rod is out of the side of the island over there. I'm just going to see how we get on the first night. It's about 7 o'clock now, so it's only time for a bit of tea, some wine, relax. Weather's looking good, conditions are looking good. Just have to see how we get on. All I've really done out there is a few catapults of Smoky Jack that I've ground up. Across the island I've had to actually put out a few catapults of 15 mils, or chopped up 15 mils, but cut them in half just to get the distance out there at the moment. And we'll see what tonight brings. Anyway, I shall catch up with you tomorrow morning and we'll see how we get on. Well, here's Monday's update. Pile of baiting poles. So I've been whizzing my baiting pole up the margins along here. I left a high percentage of it stuck in the bush because it makes life easier. I've got a bait up there, sort of in between here and the other set of trees over there. I did have a bait over there earlier on, but the Canadian geese have just terrorised me. It's like their bath, I don't know really. Ridiculous, so I've abandoned that one for now. Probably put it back there tonight. And yeah, see, I had one fish, as you'll have seen, which is quite good. Otherwise due another fish really. There's lots of little activities and everything going on up there. I've got my bait, there's always little bubbles and things pricking up and things, so something about. So I've christened me NSR, which is quite good. I have two of them actually. I bought the NSR 50 combos. So you actually get two nets, one handle, but I bought an extra handle so I can have two nets out at the same time. It seems quite logical to me. Might be a little bit more money. So there's a net in the tree there, but that's one of the mill pond's nets. All sorted out in my cabin still looking very tidy. Been sitting there in my chair most of the day, enjoying myself. It's quite good. Path up there to where Rob's fishing. I don't particularly want to leave my swim or going too far. Sort of going to try and show you where I was fishing really, but you have to be fairly on it with these fish. If I get a take. It's quite pleasant actually. I was sitting there this morning looking over the far bank, watching the muntjac going around feeding. Kingfisher whizzed by. A little blue tip box on the lodge there. And yeah, it's all very much looking like spring, which is quite nice. Anyway, that's Monday's update. Hopefully I'll bag a few more fish. It's not super fast going, but it's fishing. It's spring. Things have got a little bit warmer. The fish are slowly starting to wake up. And what more can you say? Hallelujah, I think, really. Anyway, I'll catch up with you later on. I'm chuffed with that. Look at that. Little 12mm Smoky Jacks. 12mm Smoky Jack pop-ups. Another chomps. Out on the baiting pole down the margins. Perfect. Perfect little battle. There you go. Doom beauty. Another lovely one. Got on the Smoky Jack. Oh, look at that, can you? Nice, gorgeous, colourful 20. Absolutely stunning. Well, this is Tuesday afternoon's update. Had a nice 25 earlier on this morning that you've seen on the video. At about 5:15 this morning, 6:15 actually, sorry. Then I had another one about £10, about an hour and a little bit later, and that's been it for the day. Had nothing else at all. Silver, the old geese flying over. No, had nothing else at all. It's been extremely quiet all day, much to my surprise, total amazement. Haven't seen or heard anything. Nothing at the margin whatsoever. It's a bit of a shock. Real shame, but it happens. But one thing is for certain, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. The sun's come out, looking lovely. First time I've seen sun in a fair few days, I must admit. So, very happy. Might spark the calf on a little bit more. It'd be nice to have a couple before I go. And get the total to 5 would be good. One this afternoon. Get one early morning tomorrow, and that'll be quite good going, really. Should be very interesting. Anyway, I shall give you one more update later on before I leave and head off to my syndicate down Ringwood Way. Spent a few days down there with Ian, my friend. That should be quite a good week's worth of fishing, really. Anyway, I'll catch up again later, folks. Well, last few hours update. Not a bleep last night. Not a sausage. Incredibly surprised me, to be perfectly honest with you. And the reason for that is the fish were extremely active. In particular, showing a little bit closer than the tufties are at the moment. Out under the willow tree, which is where I'm moving the bait to, and generally around. Saw about 4 or 5 fish last night in the evening, and nothing. Not a bleep. Totally silence all night long. There you go. These things happen. Anyway, I have to pack up and head home, collect a few bits, and meet my mate down the Airfield Lake for a 3-night social down there. It's a pretty good week I'm having at the moment. 2 socials, a few fish, hopefully even more fish. Anyway, that's the report on that. Thoroughly enjoyed myself down here as always. And yeah, catch up with you in the next video. And see you soon, guys and girls. I'll head around once more and leave the shot looking up the river, or pond. Looking perfect as ever. What more could you want? Catch up soon, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as normal. And loving your comments. Thanks very much. And good luck if you're out there.